Before the phone, before the morning scroll, before the list had taken any toll, she chose the happy, said it first. Before the day could quench its thirst, for her attention, happy first. Then everything else, the morning burst of the chosen positive before the ask. She chose the happy first today, before the world had anything to say about what kind of morning it would be. She already knew the happy free and first, not earned, not found, just chosen. The happy morning sound of a woman who decided before the day. The ukulele played a chosen line, and she moved through the morning feeling fine about the decision, the particular, and practiced happy, the vernacular of the woman who has learned the trick of the morning happy first, the quick and certain choice before the day arrives. The happy chosen first is the strongest kind. It doesn't wait for circumstances. The mind that chooses happy in the morning gate before the day decides, doesn't wait for permission. She chose happy in the morning, met her choice with open hand of the spring light and the coffee warm. She chose the happy first today, before the world had anything to say about what kind of morning it would be. She already knew the happy free and first, not earned, not found, just chosen. The happy morning sound of a woman who decided before the day.
The chill out was the on-ramp to the climb, not the destination, the particular rhyme of the easy start arriving at before the morning showed me that the chill and the motivated share a frequency, the morning air, easy and rising at the same